doing? Go back to bed. Yeah, get to bed. Get to bed. Get to bed. Aw, you're getting ready. Aw. Getting ready to go to sleep. Aw. Danny's little dirt bath. Get in there nice and good. Yeah. No, get back. No, go back in there. Get in there. Hey, girls. They're still a little bit awake. They're about to go to bed. So they're like, oh, what do you got? You got some food? No. Oh, look at the Rhode Island Red hanging out with the rest of them. That's that one. She usually hangs out with the other Rhode Island Reds. Because these are a bunch of old ladies. All these colored ones. Mismatched and whatever. They're all, oh, that's her butt. They're all old ladies. See her right here? She's kind of king of the roost. But she's not really sure where she wants to go. She's still kind of figuring out whether she wants to go to bed or get some food. But I bet you in a minute, she's going to jump up here and she's going to push one of these mothers out of the way. So she's going to say, I'm sleeping here, and you guys go somewhere else. I swear, depending on the weather, sometimes this thing closes easy and sometimes it don't close at all. I think this weekend we're going to get to building our bigger hen house so they can be a little more comfortable. But they'll get right in there and oh, we got a couple eggs in there. How are you getting these out of there? There's one. There's two. Oh, there's three. Oh, there's another one. There's four. Thank you, ladies. Oh. And there's Charlie right there. Charlie's the rooster. And he seems to be taking a liking to this one right here. She's an old lady, and he's the youngest one in here. But I guess he likes them cougars. Because he gets on top of this one, and he gives her a little, you know, romp around. And he usually sleeps on top of her and tells her what to do. Ah, see, told you. Told you she's about to push somebody else aside. I told you she's queen of the roost. Hey, Fred. There's Fred. And let's see what else we got going on in here. I'm going to close this here. I've got a bunch of eggs in my hand here. I can't even close this thing. There we go. And put these here for now. Here's Tux. And the chickens don't seem to mind the dogs. Watch this. Yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness, we got a bunch of eggs today. Look, watch this. Look, even though they're there, you can reach right in, take them. They don't even care. Look at that. Oh man, I already got 6 this morning. So we got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 eggs today. That's crazy. A couple of these laid 2 eggs. Oh my God, there's more eggs. What the hell is going on? What the hell? Watch this. Move out of the way. Oh my God, there's 3 more. I swear to God, this is real. What the hell? How many damn eggs did they lay this morning? Holy crap. I gotta go get myself a basket. Look, she's like, what are you doing? Are you kicking me out of here? Or are you? Nah, go ahead. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. That is craziness. They were happy as hell. This is clean, I swear to God. I know it looks dirty, but this is all just from the rain, but it's all clean bag and everything. This is crazy. 3, 6, 9, 12, and I already got 6 this morning. Wow, I usually get 9, 10, 11 a day. That is crazy. Oh, they went to town on the water tonight. Somebody's making noise, I bet you. Yep, told you. See, there she is. See, she's getting higher than everybody. She's trying to let them know she's the boss. See how the other one next to her is tucked down? Because what's happening is every time she gets up, she knocks her back down. She gets up, she knocks her back down. What are you talking about? This one making noise right now, she is the biggest chicken. And I know that's funny to say, I'm not being ironic, but she runs from everything. And she is talking back to me right now. You can tell how old they are by how big they are. I mean, now different breeds are going to be different sizes. But, yeah, she got something going on. She don't usually make noise like that. But you know what's funny is, once they decide they're going to sleep, you can do pretty much whatever. See, she's not running. Look at this. They don't do anything, because once they decide they're ready to go to sleep, it's like they're in a trance. Granted, I got the light on them right now, but that's got nothing to do with it. She's just checking me out and seeing what's going on, but they're awake, but they're so easy to catch and everything. The red ones don't run from me. This is a Rhode Island Red right here. They don't run from me at all. They let me pet them, pick them up. They don't care. The other ones, they're going to give me a little bit of a run. And then once I pick them up, they're not a big deal, but what are you making all that noise for? Oh, look. See? Ah, mosquito. She never makes this much noise. This is hilarious. She don't like the light, I think. She's getting stressed out. She's going to lay a funny egg tomorrow. So, I'm going to let him get to sleep. She's getting upset. But I'll be having chickens for sale, eggs for sale. They're free range, so if anybody's interested, let me know. And then eventually we'll be having chicken for sale. You know what I mean by chicken. Thanks for watching.